You ever feel like the world just quietly shuts a door on you once you hit a certain age? Like, you're cruising through life, planning your dream trip, and then, bam, the insurance companies hit you with a hard no. No coverage, no chance. Just because you're over 60. That happened to me last year. I was finally ready to take that long-awaited trip to Italy. You know, the kind where you sip espresso in a tiny piazza, get lost in cobblestone streets, and actually live the moment. But when I went to buy travel insurance, I was stunned. Every single company I reached out to said something along the lines of, "Sorry, we don't cover travelers over 65," or "Your age puts you outside our risk bracket." At first, I thought maybe I was just unlucky. Maybe I didn't look hard enough. But the more I dug, the more I realized this wasn't some random glitch. It's a cold, harsh reality. Most insurance companies see anyone over 60 as a ticking time bomb. And that scared me. Not just because I wanted to travel, but because I thought, what if something really serious happens abroad and I'm left on my own? I remember sitting there, staring at my laptop, feeling a mix of frustration and fear. Here I was, healthy, active, and ready to explore the world. But the system was telling me, "You're too old to be safe." And honestly, that hit me harder than I expected. Then, just when I thought I had hit a dead end, I stumbled upon something almost like a secret. It wasn't flashy or hyped up. It was a little-known service called Auras.insure. At first, I was skeptical. Is this legit, or just another gimmick? But as I started reading, I saw they specialize in helping people like me. Travelers who are over 60 but don't want to give up their freedom. The twist? They don't treat you like a liability. They treat you like a person who deserves peace of mind. They have plans that actually cover pre-existing conditions, that consider your age without penalizing you unfairly, and that provide support when you need it most, even in the most remote places. I signed up, and honestly, it felt like a weight lifted off my chest. Suddenly, I was booking flights, planning my itinerary, dreaming again. And guess what? When I was in Florence, I twisted my ankle pretty badly walking down some old stone steps. I was able to get treatment without sweating the bills or wondering if my insurance would deny the claim because of my age. That experience taught me something important. Being over 60 doesn't mean your adventures have to stop. It doesn't mean you have to accept fear or uncertainty as part of your travels. There are options out there, real options, that understand you and protect you. So here's my tip. Don't give up just because the first few insurance companies say no. Look deeper. Ask the right questions. Don't be afraid to find someone who gets what it means to travel later in life. And if you want a little hack that I genuinely use and trust, not because it's perfect, but because it saved my trip and my peace of mind, check out Auras.insure. I honestly believe it's the kind of find every traveler over 60 needs, because your dreams don't have an expiration date, and your insurance shouldn't either. Travel isn't just for the young. It's for all of us who still want to live, explore, and experience the world fully, no matter our age. And with the right support, it's absolutely possible. So, if you're thinking about your next trip, don't let age be the roadblock. You deserve to go. You deserve to be covered. And you deserve to feel safe every step of the way.